The AMZCHEF 24-inch wall oven offers a built-in electric solution with a standout 360 degrees rotating rotisserie feature for evenly cooked meats and deliciously crisp finishes. I have provided the link to this wall oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Engineered for both performance and aesthetics, this 2200W oven blends modern stainless steel design with a range of practical functions that cater to both everyday meals and gourmet adventures. Whether it's roasting a chicken, baking pastries, or preparing multiple dishes for a family dinner, the 2.65 cubic feet of internal space provides generous room without crowding your kitchen. This oven delivers more than just looks, it's a powerhouse that supports a wide temperature range from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The mechanical knob controls give you full tactile control over your settings, avoiding the complexity of digital panels. 5 distinct cooking modes allow users to bake, roast, broil, and explore their favorite recipes with dependable results. The rotating rotisserie ensures your chicken or meat is evenly browned on all sides, while the dual heating elements from the top and bottom promote balanced heat distribution throughout the oven cavity. Convenience is built into every corner of the AMZCHEF wall oven. Its enamel-lined interior makes post-cooking cleanup simple, resisting grease and food stains. The removable oven door and premium tempered glass not only improve accessibility but also enhance the visual appeal of your cooking process. A halogen light brightens the interior, offering a clear view so you can monitor your food without opening the door. Thoughtful touches, like the precision timer knob mechanism for short cook durations, further show AMZCHEF's attention to real-world usability. Ideal for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike, this oven transforms any modern kitchen into a cooking hub with style and performance at its core.